There is a silence in the desert unlike any other, a stillness where mercy found its home. Beyond the dunes and palms, a city rises, not of marble or gold, but of remembrance. Medina, the city of light. Here, the pulse of faith slowed from battle to peace. Here, compassion took form, and knowledge became a fragrance carried on the wind. At its heart stands a sanctuary of calm, the Prophet's Mosque, where the green dome glows like dawn that never fades. Every stone here tells a story of welcome. When the messenger arrived, hearts opened, and the city itself seemed to breathe relief. From that moment, Medina was more than a place. It was an idea that justice could live beside mercy, that power could bow to humility. The mosque grew from simplicity, a courtyard of palm trunks, a roof of leaves, a space where poor and rich prayed shoulder to shoulder. Today, its minarets reach the clouds, mirroring the expansion of hope across 14 centuries. Architects call it a wonder of symmetry and precision. Engineers marvel at its movable domes and marble courtyards. Yet pilgrims still find in its quiet corners the same gentleness that once greeted the first believers. Under the green dome rests the messenger, whose teachings turn deserts into gardens of conduct. Around him, millions walk softly, tears on their faces, peace on their tongues. Scientists studying human emotion say that collective prayer synchronizes hearts and rhythms. Perhaps that is why the air here feels alive. Medina's lanes hum with generosity. Every meal shared, every stranger guided, echoes the city's first pledge: to care for one another. Urban planners now call it an ancient model of sustainability, a society balanced on charity and moderation. From water wells dug for the thirsty to shaded courtyards that temper the sun, its lessons touch modern initiatives for climate care and inclusion. The world looks to Medina for spiritual health as nations seek moral balance. Economists find in its early marketplace the seeds of ethical trade. Educators see in its prophet school the blueprint for learning built on kindness. From its example, communities in India, in the valleys of Jammu and Kashmir, and across continents draw strength to serve villages, protect the environment, and nurture peace among diversity. Even in the digital age, where data flows faster than reflection, the call from Medina remains the same: slow down, speak truth, show mercy, because civilization is not how tall we build, but how softly we walk on the earth. At sunset, the marble glows rose gold. Pilgrims pause, shadows long, hearts open. The muezzin's voice drifts like a thread through time, reminding humanity of its shared direction. When the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, migrated from Makkah to Medina, his heart found a home that welcomed him with open arms. He loved Medina deeply, its people, its air, its soil. He prayed, "O Allah, make Medina beloved to us as you made Makkah beloved," or even more so. He blessed its measures, its fruits, and its fragrance, turning the desert into a garden of blessings. It was here that Islam took its shape as a living society, where revelation guided governance, compassion shaped law, and brotherhood transcended bloodlines. In Medina, the constitution of the Prophet was born, the first written charter of coexistence, securing peace between tribes and faiths. Every grain of its earth carries the memory of his footsteps. Every breeze still whispers his mercy. To love Medina, he said, is to love him, for this city was his comfort in life and his resting place in eternity. Medina teaches that faith is service, that gratitude is action, that every hand lifted in prayer must return to lift another in need. When the night spreads its calm and the stars gather above the green dome, the city whispers to the world, "Be gentle, be just, be grateful." For peace begins not in treaties, but in the heart that remembers light. And when the azan rises over Medina, humanity awakens. The call pierces the veil of time, reminding every heart that beyond all empires and ages, Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest. In that sacred sound, the soul becomes aware, blessed, and conscious that there is one above all, the creator of everything, seen and unseen. The echo of the muezzin travels through the air like mercy itself, carrying faith from dome to desert, from heart to heart. Long after voices fade and centuries pass, the call will remain in the air, eternal, unbroken, a song of remembrance that the Almighty is great and that all creation belongs to Him.